There's something that's so therapeutic and relaxing about spending the weekend in nature. So this weekend, I decided to spend some time in one of my favorite places called Dixon Art Gallery and Gardens in my hometown of Memphis, Tennessee. And then I thought about a series that I started a few years ago called Paint With Me. Now, Paint With Me is a series where I would take my sketchbook outside and I would allow complete strangers to paint a flower or something in my sketchbook using my favorite medium of watercolors. In this series, I share with people the therapeutic benefits of using watercolors. Watercolors is the only medium that you cannot completely control. It is a medium that is completely dependent on water. So it becomes the teacher and you become the student. With watercolors, you have to surrender to where the water takes the paint. You have to follow that. You have to follow that rhythm. And then you have to be comfortable with the outcome. There's not any two watercolor paintings that's going to look exactly the same. Because depending on your energy, depending on the weather, depending on, circumstances, depending on how you feel, that's going to determine how the painting looks and where the water is going to take the painting. So I love to share this medium with people, to share how watercolors can become a tool for self-discovery, how watercolors can become a tool for relaxation, and watercolors can also be very, very, very healing. So I started out this session painting a tomato plant that I spotted in the gardens. I love the way that tomato plant has a million different shades and tones and hues of green. I love the different sizes of the tomatoes. And even though me as an artist, sometimes when I see something, I'll have a vision immediately of how I want to paint it. I too cannot control how it's going to look. So I had a great time starting out this series with painting this tomato plant myself, and then we're going to go into painting with other people. Now, as I get prepared to teach a full retreat on watercolors and flowers and the healing benefits of the medium as well as herbal benefits of flowers, I am very, very, very honored to be able to travel and share this medium with other people. So let's go to our first person who's going to paint using this medium.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. So what's your name?
My name is Taya.
Taya. Are you from here?
I am not.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm originally from Boston.
Okay. And have you ever painted using watercolors?
As a child.
Okay. Most people kindergarten brings them back to them. I like that you just going for it. Look, I haven't even instructed you.
Oh, okay. Should I wait?
No.
Okay.
So we're at the Dixon Art Gallery, and I believe you gravitated towards the rose bush.
Yes.
And Teo is going for it. I mean, I'm impressed.
I'm really nervous.
If you squeeze the pen, then a little bit more water comes out.
Okay.
And I'm just going to go in. Color is the only medium that you can't control. Mm-hmm. So it becomes the teacher, you become the student. Mm-hmm. It's great for mindfulness. It's great for health. It helps you to surrender, and it helps you to go almost like go inward and just get into a mindset of relaxation.
Yeah, I do feel rather relaxed.
Mm-hmm.
It looks beautiful. I'm not sure how long you want me to do it, or
whenever you're ready to. I think this is absolutely beautiful, Teo.
Oh, thank you.
And you did it very quickly.
Thank you.
You sure you're not an artist?
I am not an artist in any way, shape, or form.
Well, can you tell me how, this was just a few seconds, just how the experience was with...
It was relaxing, soothing.
Mm-hmm.
perfect for the moment.
Good, good, good. Would you consider possibly using watercolors as like a daily practice?
I'd have to think about that.
Okay.
Yeah, I never thought about it before.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't see why not. There's lots of down moments, so I don't see why not.
Well, good. Well, thank you so much for participating.
Thank you.
First of all, these earrings. And let's get a shot of the earrings.
Cooper Young Fest. Everyone should go next year. They were $10.
They're beautiful. Okay,
and not Amazon, so that's exciting.
Right. What's your name?
I'm Julianne.
Julianne.
Yes.
And where are you from, Julianne?
Memphis, Tennessee.
You're from
born and
Memphis?
raised.
Okay.
Yes.
And have you ever used watercolors before?
I did in school.
Okay.
Like through high school even, but I haven't touched it since
then?
college and beyond.
Okay.
So.
Okay. Okay, well, we're in Dixon Art Gallery, and there are so many beautiful flowers that are around us. So I'm just going to have you to identify the flower that speaks to you the most.
Okay.
And just start painting when you're ready.
Okay, well, I definitely love the puffballs.
Okay.
Right back here. Maybe because they're simple and just a circle shape. I just love them. They're whimsical.
They are beautiful. And I like that they have so many shades of purple too.
Yeah. The like light one and then in there.
Mm-hmm. Yep, but you can get
I like
the
this
shade of
pen
purple.
though. This is kind of nifty.
Yeah, the pen is great because I mean it's mess free.
Yeah.
And then you can paint on the go when you're traveling, and you know.
Yeah.
I tell people if you work in the office and you need a little few minutes to decompress, pull out some watercolors and a little pen.
I'm struggling to even get a color. It's now turned black, but I'm getting there.
Oh, mosquitoes are beating us today.
I know, they love me. The one downside to growing up in Memphis.
And if you want to make it lighter, you just put more water.
How do and you
just squeeze the where
right
the water
here?
is. Mm-hmm.
Oh,
you see?
This is so nifty. There we go. Okay, that lighten her up. There you go. Okay, well, continue on. It's not really the same color shade, but that's okay.
It's okay.
It's a blue version.
You can see at the top, I tried to get a little purple, but it's blue. Sometimes it does it, and sometimes
that's okay.
Yeah.
We
Art is subjective.
Yes. I guess. It looks more like a blob, but that's okay. I'll do the stem. Make it look a little better. Okay, she's coming. Okay, I think I'm done.
Okay, that's beautiful. So let's see your painting. Gorgeous.
It was fun though. I like the little pen.
And it's very expressive. Both of your paintings are very expressive. It has movement.
Thank you.
So how did you feel doing this exercise?
I think it's good for me because I'm a control person, and watercolor, like you said, is surrender oriented, and that's hard, but like a good challenge for me. And once I do let go and start adding a lot more water and seeing where it takes it, it's more fun too.
Good. Would you consider implementing watercolors into a daily exercise?
I have Like I've never thought of that before as like a way to relax. And I think with like something like this that's less difficult, I just think of it as being messy, so I never would have thought to add it.
You don't have to have a whole production pull out of
You don't have to have an easel. I think that's like a fun. So yeah, I would consider it basically. Short answer.
Good. Well, thank you so much for participating.
It was so fun.
So that concludes Paint With Me. This is actually episode 6 of this series. I'll be doing more of these, especially as I'm getting prepared for the journey to Thailand. But what I love the most is seeing people tap into their creativity, also tap into their childhood, and just to see the excitement and the renewed feeling of joy on people's faces after they use and remember the feeling that they have with using watercolors. I will see you all on the next episode very soon. And if you are interested in learning more about upcoming workshops and retreats, I will leave all of that information in the description box, or you can learn more at bykriskeys.com. Y'all have a beautiful week.